For more than 60 years, Herculite Products has been a leader in manufacturing innovative, flexible PVC composite textiles. We serve both the commercial and residential fabric applications that demand exceptional aesthetics, durability, and return on investment. Herculite manufactures many of the industry's leading awning, marine, tent, healthcare, and digital media fabric brands. Our brands have solved fabric problems for the end user while adding value-enhancing solutions for all stages of the supply chain, from design to manufacturing. Our world-class reputation as a top fabric manufacturer was earned by focusing on innovation and continuous improvement as the means to provide outstanding value, quality, reliability, and performance to our customers. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing and innovation centers in Pennsylvania and Florida provide customers with advantages that are only possible when working with our U.S.-based resource for customer service, technical support, and product development. At Herculite, our mission is to help our customers grow their business by delivering products and services of exceptional value, distinguished by their quality and innovation on time, every day. In return, our customers reward us with the privilege of being their solution provider. Simple. To learn more about how we can help grow your business, visit us at herculite.com.